Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be testing out a free pattern that I've wanted to try for a while now. It is this one here. It is Happy the Hippo by crochet_crochet on Instagram. I absolutely love the look of it, so I thought the best time to try it out would be now so I can give my honest opinions on it. The colour that I've gone for is this purple here, purely because I just want to get rid of it. The pattern itself was made in a chunky yarn, but I'm not a big fan of the feel of this, so I thought I'd use it to try it out. It's a lovely colour, it just, I'd prefer softer. I got a white, which is the same brand. It's Bernat Chunky Blanket Yarn, I think. I got the white and the blue. The white is really soft, but the purple and the blue seem to have this weird feel about it. And I'm just not a fan. So let's get started with the pattern. So far it seems relatively clear. It doesn't seem like it takes too long to make. I've done this with 2 hours before I have to leave for work, so I'm kind of hoping that I can do it all in one go and not have to come back tomorrow and finish the video off. So yeah, most of this will probably be in a time lapse as well, just so it's not like 2 hours long. But I'll stop it at points to talk about it. So yeah, I'll start the pattern now. As I was finishing the first round, my dog decided to come and say hi. Milo, what's that? So I have fully finished the first round. I forgot to mention at the start of the video what size hook I was using. This is a 5mm. In the pattern it says 6mm, so I'm not sure if it'll come out bigger or smaller than the one in the pattern, but my yarn does look sort of a similar size, so it might be a little bit smaller. So the first 3 rounds are done, and this is what it's currently looking like. Starting to take its shape slightly. I actually don't use a stitch marker. I've never used a stitch marker before. I always use little scrap pieces of yarn. I just find it easier than like unclipping something and clipping it back on. So if you're wondering what that is, that's my stitch marker. We have some nostrils. Oh my god. I actually can't wait till this pattern's finished. I'm already in love with it. My hand is hurting so bad though. I was at my boyfriend's the other day and I spent the whole day pretty much just crocheting these squares for another video that I have in mind, but it's gonna take me a while purely because I've got no motivation, to be honest. So I've gone with something easier for now. New glasses literally just arrived. I've had to stop crocheting to go and get them, but I'm not sure how I feel about them. This was the first pair. I mean, I think this is my favourite one out of the two, but I'm still not sure. They're probably just gonna have to, like, I'm just gonna have to get used to them. But this is the other pair. They're sort of similar, but I don't know if they suit me because they're very different to my other ones. My other ones are like that, and I think they fit my face well, but I'm not sure about these two. But oh well, I can see, so that's a bonus. Yeah, I think I definitely prefer these ones. Anyway, back to the pattern. So the pattern says 30 single crochet, so that's like just the whole way around, and then it says including 2 single crochet for the ears. I'm, I'm a bit confused. Do I go in from the back? Like, I don't know, because if I go in from if I put my hook through the front, surely that's going to hide the ears. I'm a bit confused. Because if I put my hook through there and yarn, then it's gonna cover the ear, surely. I don't know. I don't know what to do in this situation. Because the ears weren't front loop only. Yeah, they're not front loop only, so I'm just gonna go in from the back and hope that it works. If not, I've made a new way. Can't even get my hook through the, can't get my hook through the stitch. Okay, that's worked. Fine. Solved the problem. So the head is fully completed. I just need to put the eyes on, which I will do now. So this is what it looks like with the eyes. I have gone for the smaller set of eyes purely because I don't have the backs for the bigger ones. There was the size up that I was gonna put with this, but they don't use these little backs. It's the bigger version. So yeah, I think it works really well still. You can't, there's not that much difference in it. But yeah, the head is all finished and now it's time for the back. I currently have 35 minutes until I have to leave for work, so it's probably not going to be finished today. It'll probably cut until tomorrow morning when I will finish everything, but I'll try and get as much done as I can right now. I absolutely love how this is coming out though. It's so cute. So this is where I'm currently at. I'm gonna have to leave it here for today. I've only got 7 rounds left and I probably could finish it in the time before I have to leave, but I don't want to risk it because I do need to get some stuff together. But I love how it's coming along. The legs aren't popping out as much as I'd like. There we go. But yeah, not much left to go, but I will see you tomorrow morning. Hi guys, it's currently day 2 and this is how far we are along. Only got 7 rounds left, so I reckon it'll probably take me about 15 minutes to finish, if that. So yeah, let's get started. I'm having so many issues with my PC at the moment because my internet works fine on absolutely everything apart from my PC, and I don't know if it's just because it's a lot stronger, but I have to film and edit my videos on my phone, and it's just annoying because I tried to download a game the other day and it just wouldn't have it. It wouldn't even let me start the download. But the internet works fine on my Xbox and on my Switch, like everything else apart from my PC, and I just don't get it. It's rather annoying, I can't lie. I also started my new job yesterday and I'm really not enjoying it. Like, I don't know what I was expecting, but I'm just not a fan at all. Yeah, I'm kind of regretting it, to be honest. I mean, I've never been sort of a food industry person. I've always been a retail person, but I thought I'd change it up a bit, and yeah, I'm kind of regretting it. I just want to do this full time. Like, I'd love to be able to just crochet and do nothing else, to be honest. That is like my dream, because I tried TikTok to try and advertise my Etsy, but all my views were getting capped at like 200. There was only the odd few that was getting more than that, and then actually gaining followers on there was really difficult. I don't know why. I mean, obviously it was like the stuff I was posting, but I just don't know how to make it better. And then I was like, you know what, I'll try YouTube, just because why not. It definitely went a lot better than I was expecting. What's this? Yeah, so I think I'm gonna stick to this for now, just because I prefer it, to be honest. I was actually really scared when posting my first video. I was like, it took me 2 hours to film my first video and it's only 5 minutes long, because I kept deleting everything. Like, I couldn't get the intro right for like, I've done that wrong. I haven't done enough. I've fixed it. It's fine. It's all good. That's because I was talking. I can't multitask. But yeah, it took me 2 hours to film my first video. The second one wasn't too bad, but I watched the footage back from yesterday, and I did like time lapses, and I had to cut most of it because I've never seen my concentration face before. But I seem to just like end up doing that and like moving my head to the side. I don't even know why, but yeah, I cut quite a lot of that. And it's still very obvious in what I did put in, because I've edited half of it already just to make it easier, because I feel like as I'm filming this I'm going to upload it today, just to get another video out there. I've got 5 rounds left after this, and then I am done. I think I'm going to put it on my Etsy, but I have enough yarn to make another one, so I might put 2 on there, and if anyone wants it they can have it. This pattern is really simple to follow. The only issue I had was with the ears. Everything else has been perfect. No complaints at all. We officially have a body. I've got 2 rounds left and I'm about to start stuffing it. I had the same issue with the tail that I did with the ears. I'm not sure if it's just me being stupid though, but yeah, it was a bit confusing, especially with the ears. I was confused with the ears. I kind of just winged it with the tail, because I would have thought that if I'm crocheting, to make it easier it would be front loop only for the ears, so then there's something to attach onto at the back, but that could just be me being a bit thick. But I'm nearly done. This video is going to be really long, and I apologise. I got ahead. I have to go to work again in an hour and a half. It's currently 12 o'clock. I woke up like 20 minutes ago. But I'm just not looking forward to it. Has anyone else been watching the trailers? Because it's the final week this week and I want to know people's opinions on it, because I've seen a lot of comments on Twitter of who people want to win. I want Harry to win purely because I think he's playing it really well. But my mum said she wants Molly to win. But I feel like Molly doesn't unless it's just, well, obviously it's just because it's been edited that way, but she's not really in it much and she doesn't say anything, so I'm not sure. But I reckon the traitors will win this year, purely because I think Harry's probably thought this out. I did think Wilf was going to win last year, but because of Kieran, he got voted out, didn't he? I do think that ruined the show though. They shouldn't be allowed to do that. But it is what it is, I suppose. We're all stuffed and I will come back when I've completely finished it. So it's finally finished and this is what it looks like. I absolutely love this so much. I want to make so many more of these. It will be available on my Etsy down below if you are interested, and I will also link the pattern so you can make it yourself. I definitely recommend it. It's one of my favourites. I do want to make a video where I try a paid pattern and it will probably be this one here. Let me know if you think I should, or if you've tried it yourself, how you found it. But yeah, that is all for this video. If you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.